Hey there Cajon drummers, and welcome back to another Cajon tutorial. Today we're going to do the main beat from Happier by Marshmello and Bastille. Let's get started. Okay, so let's get started with this great groove, all the way down at 50 beats per minute. And I think that's about half the original tempo, so a good place to start. Here we go. 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Okay, so let's keep moving with this groove. We're going to come up to 70 beats per minute now. And one thing that I'd like to do now is play just the snare accents. That's the most complicated part of this, so I think if we can loop just the snare accents for a little bit and then come in with the bass hits, it's a nice way to build up this groove and ensure that each part is sounding nice and tight. Okay, so 70 beats per minute, just the snare accents. Okay, so let's bring in the bass. Once again at 70 beats per minute, here we go. 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Okay, there we go. Sorry about the siren. Okay, so we've made it now to 100 beats per minute, which is the original tempo of the song. And we're going to do another exercise. I think actually breaking down all these individual parts and then playing them with the metronome before putting it together is a great way to ensure that the final product, I suppose, your final version of the groove sounds as tight as it possibly can. So for the next one, we'll focus on the bass accents. Snares are just ghosts, accents on the bass. 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally, we're going to put it all together. Here we go. 3, 4. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this Cajon tutorial. I do hope you enjoyed working on this beat with me. If you'd like to do more lessons right now, have a look at my YouTube channel. There are all kinds of things that you can learn related to Cajon. Just check out some of the playlists and get started. If you have any questions, comments, please just let me know. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of these videos in the future. Also, a little quick shout out to the Members Club. We have the Cajon Members Club here on YouTube. If you'd like some more information about that, look at the join button next to the subscribe button here on YouTube. And just a quick update, we're currently all working on Cajon solos. So there are 4 weeks, 4 different steps involved in building a great Cajon solo with homework assignments, etc., challenges all along the way. If that sounds like something you're interested in, please join us. Otherwise, I will see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching. See you later. Bye.